Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we got a real quick one. Just a little chip tip and how to make homemade tortilla chips at home. Much cheaper than buying them in the bag, in my opinion. But, like I said, this is a real quick one. You want to grab 16 ounces of sour cream and try to get the son of a bitch out of the container, but it's being a stubborn bastard, so grab a spoon. Then you want to get yourself 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dried minced onion, a teaspoon of dill weed, a teaspoon of chives, and a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Then you want to grab a whisk and basically mix all this stuff together, cover it with tin foil, and then let it chill out at least an hour or two in the fridge before you serve it. Or you can grab a knife like I'm doing. Just make sure everything is whipped together. Alright, let me quickly show you how to make your own tortilla chips. I bought the Mission Street Taco corn tortillas, and then I cut them into fourths, as you can see here. And then I'm plunging them into oil that's been heated to about 325 degrees. Use a knife to keep the chips submerged if they start to float to the surface too much. And you'll have to keep an eye on them. You can't go to the bathroom at this point. When they start to turn lightly golden brown, it's time to pull them out. Because remember, they're going to keep cooking in the bowl for another at least 2 minutes. So, all right, we'll see the finished product. Okie dokie. As you can see here, the chips are done, nice and golden brown. Absolutely delicious. And again, you don't have to do this, but it is a little bit cheaper, and you can put whatever seasoning you want on them. I just went with a simple salt and pepper. Which is, again, why make things more complicated? Now, unfortunately, my camera died before I got the shot of putting the chip into the dip. So, unfortunately, we don't have that, but I'm assuming you guys know how to take a chip and put it in some dip. Again, don't be a George Costanza and double dip. As you can see, a little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. Take the bowl, flip them around, mix them all around so everything gets coated and covered and all that. But that's Chip Dip Royale. Done.